हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसटीएस क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 5 इज़ गोइंग ऑन, बट इसमें हमने क्या किया है कि एपी जो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है इसका एवरीथिंग एक्सप्लेन इन द वीडियोस, लास्ट लेक्चर्स। नाउ लास्ट लेक्चर exercise 5.2 started, 5.1 in the last to last, then everything done up to here. 5.2 exercise question number up to 7 has been done in the last lecture. So now in this video, in this lecture, continuity forward, question number 8 onward, we have to do here solution of the NCERT book questions. Now in the AP arithmetic progression, nth term, you know, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I repeated, I have given last also, okay, and you know the what is a here, what is n, what is d. N is counting number of term, first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, these are the n, natural number, counting. And nth term, if saying, that is an, first term a1, second term a2, third term a3, like this we are doing. And here first term in the formula is a, okay. What is first term in the question? Putting value of a, okay. And common difference d, a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2, always next term minus preceding term, आगे की टर्म से पिछली टर्म माइनस करनी होती है, वो कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है। कॉमन डिफरेंस डी नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, ओके, और ये जीरो भी हो सकता है, ओके। तो बी केयरफुल अबाउट द डी कॉमन डिफरेंस। तो ठीक है, एवरीवेयर सेम होना चाहिए, ओके। देन दैट नंबर्स आर इन एपी। इफ एपी गिवन देन यूज डायरेक्टली डी एन ए व्हाट गिवन and what we have to find out of these 3-4 okay, an, n, a, d, okay, we can do by simplifying, solving using formula. Now in this question, come on the point, question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. 50 terms रखता है एक AP, ओके। समांतर श्रेणी कहते हैं हिंदी में, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन समांतर श्रेणी, ओके। इसको n इज 50 है एंड विच थर्ड टर्म यानी a3 इज 12, उसकी वैल्यू 12 है। एंड द लास्ट टर्म, लास्ट कौन सी होगी? जब 50 टर्म है इसमें तो लास्ट टर्म कौन सी होगी? 50th टर्म होगी। तो जो लास्ट टर्म है वो 106 है, यानी 50th टर्म गिवन 106। फाइंड द 29th टर्म, 29 टर्म पूछ रहा है, ओके। Two conditions given, two informations given here, okay. Now according to question, solution, according to question, n value is equal to 50, okay. Here total term, but third term a3 is given 12 and what given last term means a50, total 50 term है, last term is given 106, यानी that is 50th term, okay. Now solve. तो this a3 means a plus 3 minus 1, n minus 1, तो 2d is equal to 12 given, okay, equation 1. सेकेंड a50, तो a प्लस 50 माइनस 1 n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, तो देन 49d। सिंपल, दिस थिंग गिवन these two equations, it means we have made and solve as in third chapter by elimination method or by substitution method, any method you can use. So here elimination method, subtract तो sign change of each term, then a minus a cancel, then 2d minus 49d subtract. Okay, then 47 minus 47d is equal to 106 negative and plus 12. So subtract, then minus 104. Then d equal to minus minus cancel out, then d equal to 104 divided by 47. Okay, so what is d? This we can simplify. If simplified here, 2 7 are 14, carry on 2 4 8 1 9, 94, but it is not coming. Okay, but it is 12 here, sorry, not 2. 106 minus 12. Yes, 106 minus 12, so minus 94. Minus 94. Okay, and then minus cancel, then 94 divided by 47, then 47 2 ja 94. Okay, then d equal to 2. Then this implies d equal to 2. Now d calculated, then a put in any one equation. So a equal, so a plus 2d is equal to 12, equation 1, putting here d value and a will come. Then a plus 2d, d is 2, so 2d, 2 2 ja 4 equal to 12. Then a equal to 12 minus 4, 8. So a is 8. Now put these value a and d and find 29th term. 29th term formula. Then so 29th term means a 29, n is 29, an formula a plus n minus 1 into d. This we have to find. Put here a value, a is 8, then 8 plus 28d, d is 2. Simplify, then 8 plus 28 into 2, 56. Then add 8 and 56. कितना बन गया? 56 plus 8, 64. This is your answer. So 29 term कितनी बनी? 64 answer. We can write 29th term is equal to 64 answer. Okay, so like this we should do the question according to the given things. Okay, now next question. Question number 9. What is question 9 in NCERT book? Okay beta. Similar questions in others also, same thing. You must be careful about the given things. What are given? Take the given information correctly, read carefully and take the correct information carefully. Now question number continuity 9. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8, here third and the ninth terms given, so two equation here also will come same. Okay, respectively, which term of this AP is 0. क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा टर्म आस्किंग कि उसकी वैल्यू 0 हो, विच टर्म 0. लेट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. ओके, व्हाट इज गिवन? थर्ड टर्म is 4 and 9th term minus 8. Third term is equal to 4 and 9th term A9 is equal to minus 8. Given these things given. Okay, according to the given we are making the equations. Okay, and what given? N 0. Which term 0? So let nth term is equal to 0. Asking which term is 0. Okay, so let nth term 0. So A3 means A plus 2D, n minus 1, 3 minus 1, A plus 2D is equal to 4. Equation number 1. Similarly, equation 2, A9 means A plus 8D, 9 minus 1, 8 is given minus 8. Okay, equation number 2. These two relations given. Okay, two different terms given. So we have made equation like in the last question. Very simple. Now by elimination or substitution, any method you can use to find the value of A and D, as in third chapter, two variable linear equation. Okay, so here what you will do? Subtract. Easy, because A will cancel out. Sign change. In subtraction, change the each term sign. Then A minus A cancel. 2D minus 8D minus 6D minus 8 is plus 8 now. So then 8 plus 4, 12. Then D equal to divided by minus 6. D equal to 12 divided by minus 6. Then minus 2. Be careful that. Okay. D value. Now calculate A. Use it in equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 2D is equal to 4. In any equation you can use this value A or D and find the other. Okay, then here D value you can use here. Then A plus 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. Then A equal to 2 to the 4, minus 4 will go plus 4, then 8. A is 8, common difference also has come. Now what you will do? What nth term is equal to 0. So let nth term is equal to 0. So this implies nth term means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Given. This is given. Okay. Then A value is 8 plus D value n minus 1 into D. D is minus 2. Putting these value and solving. Minus 2 into n, minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 and this plus 8. is equal to 0. 8 plus 2 10, तो 2n is equal to 10, then n is equal to 5. Done. So we can say nth term. Hence we should write the answer in the sentence if statement questions are there. Hence fifth term is 0. Hence which term? Hence fifth term is 0. Answer. Which term? And fifth term. Done. Next question number 10. NCERT book, question 10. Continuous. We should do that. Each question, understanding in each, something is there. In each, some only tilde the statement. Others, everything same, similar, but tilde the statement. The 17th term of an AP exceeds means बढ़ जाती है, बढ़ना, exceed, increased, बढ़ना. Its 10th term से कितनी बढ़ती है? 7, by 7. तो 7 बढ़ जाती है. कौन बढ़ जाती है 7? 17th term. किस टर्म से? 10th term से. तो मीन्स 10th term एंड 17th term में रिलेशन दे दिया. 17th term A17. कौन बड़ी है इनमें? 17th term कह रहा हो वो बढ़ जाती है, बढ़ती है, एक्सीड्स है. ओके. तो 17 टर्म ज़्यादा है. कितना ज़्यादा है? 7 ज़्यादा है. तो ये 7 ज़्यादा है, इसमें से इक्वल करना है तो इसमें से 7 ले लो, चाहे इधर 7 प्लस कर दो, एक ही बात है. ओके. तो अब दोनों इक्वल बन गई है अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. ओके. This information. After that, what saying? Find the common difference. Simple. Find the common difference. Find common difference means D. Okay. This. Now solution. In this relation is given. So put A10 means A plus 10 minus 1 means 9. A plus 9D. Okay बेटा. Similarly 17 term put is equal A plus 16D. Okay. Minus 7. Done. Then take one side. A minus A cancel out. Then 9D minus 16D minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Okay. Then this implies D is equal to minus minus cancel, then 1. 7 divided by 7, then 1. D has calculated. Now D is 1. ठीक है. D की वैल्यू आ गई तो अब A की वैल्यू निकल जाएगी. कैसे निकलेगी A की वैल्यू? पूछ. अब तो यहाँ पर D इसने दिया है, यहाँ कोई हम इसमें कैंसिल हो रहा है तो यहाँ कोई रिलेशन नहीं. D आपका आ गया आंसर. कॉमन डिफरेंस आंसर. आस्किंग ओनली दिस, नो एनी अदर रिलेशन. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Okay. Simple question was there, simplified only in one line. Done. Now next question number 11. Question 11 what? In NCERT book, question 11 is which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more? Which term will be 132 more? कौन सी टर्म है जो 132 ज़्यादा होगी? किससे? will be 132 मोर देन इट्स 54th टर्म. इसकी 54th टर्म से कौन सी टर्म है वो जो कि 132 ज़्यादा होगी. लेट nth टर्म कोई भी है वह. let nth term is 132 more than ज़्यादा है. more means अधिक, ज़्यादा. more than its कौन सी टर्म से. इट्स 54 टर्म. 54th term. And what given? AP given. What given? AP. What is AP? AP such that, what is AP in which this given information? This is 3, 15, 27, 39. 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on given. Okay, this is given. So solution is A is here 3, D is here 15 minus 3 12. Check 27 minus 15. Third term minus second term also check. 12, 15 plus 12, 27. Okay, so this information take from the given AP, A and D, and use this statement. Nth term means an is equal, nth term is 132 more. ये इक्वल है किस 132 more by 54 term. 54 term plus 132. This given according to question. Okay, we have written this. Now what is nth term? Nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D is equal 54th term A plus 54 minus 1 53 D plus 132. Okay, A cancel. Clear? Now put D value. D is 12. So n minus 1 into 12 is equal 53 into 12 plus 132. Okay, then n will come. Okay, though 12n minus 12 is equal to 53 into 12. 12 3 जा 36, 3 carry, 12 5 जा 60, 12 5 जा 60 and 3 carry, then 63 plus 132. Okay, solve. Minus plus 12, this add 2 6 8 3 3 6 6 1 7 and ये minus 12 also plus 12 and n will be equal to divided by 12. Okay, then this will come 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 6 plus 7 1 8 and 7 divided by 12. 12 6 ja 72. Okay, then remainder 78 minus 72 6 60 12 5 ja 60 then 65. So n is 65. Okay, so which term? Question, which term? Nth term. So 50 65 65th term. Which term? Nth term will be 65th term. 65th term. Answer. Required term is 65th term. Done. Which term? Asking, then condition verified by 65th term. Similarly you can do easy important question like this. ठीक है, important you can mark on this question. Okay, similarly many questions can be made. Okay, then you can solve according to given condition, given relationship in the terms. Okay, now next question, our next question number 12. Question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. Two APs. First AP, second AP, common difference D same. Okay, understand. The difference between their 100 terms is 100. According to question number 12, according to question, D is same. But 100 term difference their 100 term. Second series, let A dash 100 minus A 100 is equal to 100. Given this saying, okay, according to question, D is same. Okay, so now A and A dash, I represented the second AP by A dash, first term A dash. Okay, second AP. Okay, then solution, second AP 100 term formula, A dash, first term, let A dash plus 99 D, common difference D same. Okay, is minus, first is A plus 100 minus 1, that 99, common difference D same. But first term let A dash and first series first term A, second series first term A dash. Okay, now this solve is equal to 100. Given now A dash minus A, okay, plus 99D minus this 99D, sign change. Okay, 99D is equal to 100. Minus 99D plus 99D cancel. Then A dash, sorry, second series का first term minus first series का first term is equal to 100. ओके, ये रिलेशन 1 आ गया आपका. अब क्या करें? फाइंड 1000th टर्म डिफरेंस. फाइंड द thousandth term difference in the question saying that. So thousand according to question difference in their thousand term यानी a dash thousand minus a thousand we have to find. Then this implies a dash thousand means a dash plus 999d thousand minus 1 n minus 1 into d is equal to a not equal subtract then minus bracket a plus 999d is equal to we have to find. Okay, this difference we have to find. Then this implies subtract sign change then a dash plus 99d minus a minus 999d. Okay, simplified negative same and 999d same cancel out. Then a dash minus a this and this use equation 1 then this is equal to 100 use equation 1. Okay, so 1000 टर्म का डिफरेंस भी 100 ही होगा. कितनी भी टर्म्स का डिफरेंस कहेंगे सेम चाहे वो 20 टर्म का डिफरेंस दोनों का वो भी 100 ही बनेगा बिकॉज उसने एक कंडीशन में दे दिया कितनी भी टर्म का डिफरेंस जितना दिया उतना ही एवरी सेम टर्म्स डिफरेंस विल बी द 100 डन. हैंस 100 होगा आंसर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट question number 13. See question 13. We have to make AP according to the question 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Divisible by 7. Question 13. तो फर्स्ट नंबर 3-digit नंबर divisible by 7. 3 digits number divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Such that divisible by 7. First number 3-digit number 100. 100 not divisible by 7. 7 105 will come if you divide by 7. 7 105 roughly you can check. Seven one ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. Because before this is 98. 14 7 ja 14 7 ja 98 and next number 15th 7 ja 7 into 15 105. Okay, so then 105 will be the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. First number 105 in 3-digit numbers which is divisible by 7. Next number add 7 in this 112. Next multiple of 7 ठीक है. नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 7, ऐड 7. ओके, देन ऐड 7. ओके, 9 plus 7. ठीक है, 19 plus 7, 26. ठीक, and so on. We should write minimum 3 number. We should write minimum 3 term according to the given condition. Clear? Now I written here 4 numbers, 4 terms. So these are a AP. So this implies this. It is AP. It is AP with, it is AP with first term A is equal to 105 and common difference D equal to 7. Okay, clear? Yes. Now what asking? How many 3 digit numbers are divisible, यानी टोटल कितने नंबर हैं. हाउ मैनी these numbers, total number. Last number, maximum 3 digit number, the largest 3 digit number 999. तो 999 divide by 7, check what will be. 7 1 ja 7, 2 remainder. Okay, then 29. Okay, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. Okay, then 1, then 19 remainder, then 7 3 जा 21. ज़्यादा हो गया. 19 में कितना टेबल जाएगा? 7 2 जा 14. तो ओनली 2 जा 7 2 जा 14, यानी इसमें एक्स्ट्रा कितना है? 5 रिमाइंडर. तो 5 एक्स्ट्रा है इसमें 999 में. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 फ्रॉम दिस. 994 will be the last number. 994. 994. Like this you can find. Okay, so last number is 994 because 5 remainder, and remainder 5 means subtract 5 from 999, that will come 994. It will be divisible. Okay, clear? How we are finding the last number? Maximum largest 3 digit number. This is important thing. How can find 994 last number which is divisible by 7 and 3 digit number? Okay, so largest 3 digit number we have seen that remainder was left. Okay, तो then छोटा नंबर बनेगा और तो -5. Okay, then it means let nth नंबर है, ये nth टर्म है, इसकी वैल्यू 994. Let this. Okay, so how many numbers we can find? n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 994. Put a. What is a here? A is 105. What is d here? D is 7. Use these values here. So a is 105 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7 into 7 is equal to 994. Done. Simplify. Then 7 into n, 7n minus 7 plus 105 is equal to 994. Then after that simplify. Very simple. Minus 7 plus 105 subtract. 98. Okay, 7n plus 98 is equal to 994. Then n is equal to 994 minus 98. 94 तो ये निकल गए, 4 और 900 में से निकल गए, देन 896. ओके, चेक. 8 plus 6 14, carry 1, 9 9 8 1 19, carry 1 819. Okay, this divide by 7. Clear? Okay, now divide by 7. तो 7 1 जा 7. Okay, 19, 7 2 जा 14, 14 plus 5, 19, तो 4 5 remainder, then 6 taken, 56, 7 8 जा 56. Okay, then 128. तो आंसर required 3 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers equal 128. तो 128 ऐसे नंबर बनेंगे जो कि 3 डिजिट नंबर होंगे जो 7 से डिविजिबल हैं. ओके, आंसर. तो लाइक दिस वी कैन डू लास्ट क्वेश्चन 14. वी कैन डू सिमिलरली, सेम क्वेश्चन इज देयर. यू कैन सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन आई एम मेकिंग फॉर यू. ओके, सीरीज, एंड यू कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Similar question is there. What is that? How many multiple of 4 between 10 and 250? Multiple of 4. According to question, multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Okay. Between 10 to 50. 10 to 250. Okay, तो multiple of 4 such that what will be 4 से डिविजिबल, 10 से आगे नंबर 11 नहीं है, 12 यस, फर्स्ट नंबर 12. इट इज़ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. 4 3 जा 12. ओके, मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. नेक्स्ट 4 जा 16. नेक्स्ट 5 जा, ओके, ओह 20. नेक्स्ट 24 एंड सो ऑन. लास्ट 250. 4 का मल्टीपल डिविजिबल बाई 4. ओके, 4 6 जा 24. 110. ओके, ये तो लास्ट है, इससे पहला नंबर चाहिए. ओके, इट मीन्स 4 2 जा 8, रिमाइंडर 2, तो -2 कर देंगे. ठीक है, दिस मेथड. तो 250 minus 2 means 248. So that will be divisible by 4. This number will be the last number according to question. Done. You can make series and let that same method, same as question 13 forward. You can do. Okay, now take interest watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video or link of the last videos also. Link you can send to your relative and your जितने दोस्त हैं उनको सबको भेजें, सब इंटरेस्ट लें and guide the others also कि they must subscribe and write the comment in comment box कि वीडियो कैसी लगी. थैंक यू.